Hello viewers, welcome to Company's Easy Math and English channel. Today we are going to see construction of parallelograms in 8th standard maths. So it is exercise 5.35 in Samachit Kalvi. Roman letter 1, construct a parallelogram with given measurements and find its area. Subdivision 1, ARTS, where AR equal to 6 cm, RT equal to 5 cm and ART is equal to 70 degree. So here, two adjacent sides and one angle has been given. So there are four types of parallelograms. The first one we are going to do is with two adjacent sides and one angle. Adjacent sides in the sense, the sides which are nearby. So let us first draw the rough diagram. AR is the base of this parallelogram, which is 6 cm roughly. Then RT is 5 cm. Before going to that adjacent side, an angle has been given. Angle ART is equal to 70 degree. So ART should be above. So which is 70 degree, which is an acute angle. Now we can draw RT. RT equal to 5 cm. What about a parallelogram? It is a four-sided figure with opposite sides and angles equal. So if AR is 6 cm, then TS, the opposite side of AR is TS, it is also will be equal to 6 cm. So here also it is 6 cm. Then RT will be equal to AS. So if RT is 5 cm, AS will also be equal to 5 cm. So this was a rough figure. Opposite sides are equal. So if AR is given, ST is also 6 cm. If RT is 5 cm, the side opposite AS is also equal to 5 cm. Now let us move on to the main figure or pair diagram. So let us first draw the base. AR is equal to 6 cm. AR, which is 6 cm. Now we are going to mark 70 degree acute angle at R, because ART is 70 degree. So place a protractor like this. We all know how to place a protractor. So at R, and this 0 to 180 degree line, straight line coinciding on AR, you have to place a protractor like this and mark 70 degree. So acute angle, right from 0 we are going to mark 70 degree here. So let us draw a line through this R. Now RT is 5 cm. T will lie here. So let us take 5 cm in compass. With 5 cm radius and R is center, let us draw an arc to cut RX at T. As I said earlier, opposite sides are equal. So if AR is 6 cm, then the side opposite drawn from T should also be equal to 6 cm. So let us take 6 cm in compass, and the TS center, let us draw an arc here. Then RT will be equal to AS. So RT is 5 cm. Take 5 cm in your compass. With the AS center, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at S. So this will be the completed parallelogram. Let us now join AS and TS in order to get a parallelogram. So this is our parallelogram. Next, a calculation of area. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So we know the base is 6 cm. We want to find out the height. We know how to find out the height of a figure. So we have to use our set square and scale. So placing the scale like this and your set square like this. So you can place it here. Now let us move or slide the set square until we get a vertex. Name it as T. So we should stop here once we get. So remove the scale and you fix this set square and draw a dotted line through this T so that it meets the base AR at one point. So this will be our height now. We shall measure and see the height. It is 4.7. So our height of the parallelogram ART is 4.7. Now let us multiply these two. So we'll be getting 28.2 centimeters square. Now the second subdivision of exercise 5.5, we are going to construct a parallelogram CAMP, where CA equal to 6 centimeter, AP is equal to 8 centimeter, CP is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So before getting into the rough diagram, let me mention the type of this parallelogram. Here two adjacent sides and one diagonal has been given. So two adjacent sides and one diagonal has been given. This type 2. So let us draw the rough figure. CA, the base of this parallelogram is 6 centimeter. After CA we have to draw AM. So AM has not been given. Instead of that, CP has been given. So what is CP? P will be the end of this parallelogram. So it is 5.5. Next, diagonal has been given, AP. So we can join the opposite vertices to get the diagonal. This is 8 centimeter. Then the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So if CA is 6 centimeter, then MP will also be equal to 6 centimeter. If CP is 5.5 centimeter, then AM will also be equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now let us move on to the pair diagram. Let us draw the base first. CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, diagonal has been given. CP is 8. Sorry, AP is 8. Let us take 8 centimeter in your compass. And with A as center, draw an arc over here. And then CP is 5.5. So let us take 5.5 in our compass. And with C as center, let us draw an arc to cut the previous arc at P. Let us now join CP and AP so that we will be getting a triangle first. So let us write down the measurement. CP is 5.5, AP is 8. We know that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. If CA is 6, then MP will be 6. So let us take 6 centimeter in our compass. And with P as center, let us draw an arc over here. If CP is 5.5, then AM will be equal to 5.5. So let us take 5.5. With A as center, let us draw an arc to cut the previous arc at M. Let us now join AM and MP so that we get a parallelogram. We need a height now. So we know that how to use a set square in order to get a height of this parallelogram. So shall we draw the height now? So place the scale on the base, then you can move your or slide your set square like this. Once you get the vertex M, you can stop. You have to held erect, so it will be light changes only. So from M, you can draw a dotted line so that it meets the base. You can measure and see the height is 5.6. So we can multiply the base and height because the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. We can multiply. We will be getting 33.6 centimeter square.